doing a lot of these. If you do something fun, please post it. It would be fun, especially, you know what, if you're somebody who's really good at crafts, or if you're really good with makeup, like if you know how to use highlighter, because I don't. Or again, look at my hair. If you're really good with hair, and you want to post a video about how to do that stuff, I would really welcome the opportunity to view that. So keep that in mind. We have had 2 of those wonderful mimosas that we made earlier today. Little tipsy, not bad though, and we're making potato salad right now. You'll probably get a video about us raking the yard later. Not sure. We'll see how that goes. But for the potato salad, you know, potato salad is important because it's one of those fun American staples that everyone likes to eat, and yet not everyone makes it well. Let's just be honest about that, okay? Like when Susan from accounting, who doesn't put salt and pepper in anything, brings we're cracking up here, Chloe and I are. When she brings potato salad, often you'll find people claiming that they're on a diet because they don't want to try it. They know it's going to be bland. I don't like to make bland potato salad, so one of the things I do is I boil my potatoes in my crawfish boil stuff, which really seasons them, makes them really good flavor, gives them a little kick. We all like it. Makes the house smell like we're having an actual boil, which made us all hungry. So there's that. But anyway, so back to the potato salad. Here we go. I've got my Trinity chopped up in here. I separated it a little bit just so you can see. I've got my onion, my green pepper, and my celery. I've got my potatoes, my nice spicy potatoes. I'm going to throw in my eggs, and then I've got my dressing already prepared. I use Hellmann's mayonnaise. Not going to lie, I prefer Hellmann's. I prefer real mayonnaise. My mother-in-law makes a great potato salad with Miracle Whip. It's a personal choice. I like the Hellmann's. Added a little mustard and some Slappy Mama to give it a little more kick. So we're just going to stir this all together like we're on a real cooking show. Good times, good times. And we'll see what this looks like when we're done. Again, you know, full disclosure, I have had a couple of those wonderful mimosas. They were really good, by the way. We'll get back to the cocktails later, I think. Probably I have a bottle of water now. Just for fun. What else can we do while we're quarantined? I had someone send me a wonderful link to a workout video. It's from, I think, maybe the 80s or 90s. Starting with my favorite person in the world, my favorite actress anyway, Angela Lansbury. So thank you for that, Jamie. I'll be doing that later, probably after I've sobered up a bit, because, you know, come on now. I seriously just don't think I can do this again. Do a workout video while I've had a couple of mimosas. This is looking a little dry, so we're going to make a little more dressing for it. Do not judge the size of our mayo container. I feel like this is a bit much, but there's a story behind it. So, you know, Better Homes and Gardens says that you should do about 1 1/4 cups of mayo to a tablespoon of mustard, and then season with salt and pepper and possibly paprika. So I kind of eyeball it when I'm putting it together. Whoops, I need the mustard. This is just too much fun. I'm hoping the rest of you post some of these just because, you know, they're fun and funny. But yeah, I just eyeball it, throw and hope for the best. I don't want your potato salad to be super dry, but you also don't want it to be brownie and mayo because it's gross, right? When I use the Slappy Mama, which, by the way, funny story about that. So I didn't buy it until I was down here in Louisiana. You can actually get it in Northern Michigan in a few stores, but it wasn't something that was widely used, at least by my family up there, until after we moved down here and started using it, and then my mom started talking about it using it. I have one uncle who insists that it is called Slap Your Mama's Ass. No ass in there, it's just Slap Your Mama. but it is really a good seasoning. You can use Tony Sadfreeze as well. Again, personal preference. I really prefer Slap Ya Mama. Another personal preference, you'll notice my potatoes have the skin on them. I do like to leave the skin on my potatoes. It holds the spice from the seasoning that I boil them in, and also the skin is where the nutrients are. I chop my egg up really fine, so I know that there's a boatload of egg in that potato salad. But yeah, so we're just going to continue stirring this up, and then we're going to enjoy it. I hope you're enjoying your day, and if you do something fun, post it, share. Let's have a good time.